Good afternoon. It's such a pleasure to meet you today.
Good afternoon to you.
I just wanted to understand more about Aastrid Life Sciences, your business, how you're looking at the future, manufacturing the products and servicing your customers.
Aastrid is in manufacturing of specialty chemicals and pharmaceutical intermediates. Our strength is we are a research-based company. So we make niche products. Our R&D is very strong. We have developed 500 molecules in the last 10 years. We have 3 manufacturing units in Mahad, Maharashtra.
We have been a partner in your growth journey also. TCS iON has provided the IT platform and the system to streamline all your processes and your operations. So how do you see TCS iON? How has it helped you in putting your processes in place, in improving service efficiencies, in improving productivity of the people?
Firstly, we are proud that we have gone in for Indian software.
Right.
Secondly, TCS gave us all the functions that are required to implement a ERP in one bundle.
Okay.
And TCS also is very cost efficient. We have successfully implemented TCS and we have got very good result in control of both our financials and our stock.
Okay. What did you like best about the experience with TCS iON? I believe we have a good product going. We have a wonderful support team, and we have an overall value proposition that's very significant. And what did you like most about your experience with TCS iON?
The first and the most important thing about TCS iON is it's user friendly. Second thing about TCS iON is that they keep on upgrading it. TCS iON keeps on upgrading it, and anybody asks for upgrade, and when they upgrade a software, it automatically
goes to
everyone, and you don't have to pay for it.
That's true.
And the third thing, like I said, is that TCS iON themselves support it.
Okay.
Now it's a Tata hallmark. Service is always very good in all Tata services and products.
Yeah.
The same thing about TCS iON, they give 24/7 service backup support themselves.
Yeah.
You don't have to have a third party
involved
in giving services. So I think these are the 3 main factors about TCS iON.
Okay. Thank you so much, Colonel, for taking time off, and it was wonderful talking to you.
Thank you to TCS iON for a wonderful software and wonderful service that they give to us.